Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making a new video for our new web series what we're creating, and today is gonna be our part number 4. So first of all, we're gonna open our Visual Studio Code, and today we're gonna be learning about how to make links in HTML and how to create tables in HTML. So first of all, we'll start by launching our boilerplate. As I told in the last video, when we're gonna play exclamation mark, you could see this Emmet abbreviation. Click this, your boilerplate will be ready. So inside this, we're gonna be first of all, we're gonna be telling how are we gonna insert a link. So we're gonna be writing inside this body. First, you could change your title, you could change whatever you want. We'll change it as coding cleverly. So inside the body, we're gonna be writing our link tag, which is an attribute. We're gonna write a angle bracket a ref is equal to, and inside these inverted brackets we're going to be writing our link, and then we're going to be closing this bracket. So after this, yeah, you see here this attribute bracket is going to be also been closed, and inside this you could be writing the link. Like we'll say this is a YouTube link. We'll just write YouTube link, and inside this we will be writing the YouTube link. So we'll open our we'll be opening this, and we'll just write this coding cleverly. We'll copy this over here, copy, go back in Visual Studio Code, and inside these inverted brackets we'll be pasting our code. So over there, after this, we're going to be writing Control plus S, which is going to be saving the file. Then you're going to open this, reveal in File Explorer, and inside this index.html, click on this, boom, our coding website, coding channels pictures are opening. So yeah, we got done with our links in HTML. So after this links thing, we're done with links. So we'll be learning how to create tables in HTML. We could use a HR for horizontal line. A horizontal row is going to be displayed inside this. It's going to be showing a little neat and clean. So today we're going to be adding some new tags, which is table tag, which is going to be start of the table. It's going to tell that, okay, we're going to make a table with this. There's one tr tag, which is called table row, which is going to be written to display a table row. Then there's going to be a th tag, which is for table header, which is going to be displaying that, okay, the table header. And the last is td, which is called table data. We write the table data inside these td tags. So yeah, this is really simple. I'll tell you how to use them, and let's get started. So yeah, after the HR, after the horizontal row, we make a table. We write the table tag over here. As we see, there's one up and one below. So inside this, we're gonna write a tr, a table row tag, and inside the table row, we're gonna be writing our table header. Whatever you wanna be displaying inside, we could write coding in our first one, in our first header, and below this, we could add another one. Session, we could write. So which is really nice. So we see it's going to be closed by a table row. So after this, we're going to be adding another table row for if you want to be creating a table data cell, which we need right now at this point. So we were going to be writing tr for table row once again, and inside we'll be writing td for table datas, and we could be writing inside one. We'll be writing one over here, or we could write whatever you want. We'll write cleverly. You could write any single thing, whatever you want. You're going to be writing inside the table data. Then you could add another table data over here, tag over here, and inside you're going to write cleverly. Again, I'm telling that you could add whatever you want. I already wrote cleverly. I wrote cleverly twice, so it's okay. I could be displaying whatever I want, whatever I like, and whatever you want to display on whatever you want to display on your web page. This is just a practice video, so this is nothing professional. So I could be writing whatever I want. So I'll be writing another table row tag, and inside this I'll be adding another table data. So inside that I'll write HTML, and the other table data I'll be writing another I'll be writing course course over there. So this is totally fine. Now we see that our table row is close to and our table is close to. We'll write Control S. We'll open it again. Reveal in File Explorer. We're gonna open it and we're gonna check. This is boom. This is our first YouTube link. We could open this and we could check our link is working because we copied the URL from google.com. You could write any single URL. This was just a practice that I showed you. You could add YouTube. You could add any link, whatever you want. It's just gonna be displayed. Then we wrote an HR, and inside we wrote the coding session. This is written in a table header, and below that in the table data cell we wrote cleverly, and then HTML course. So this is perfect. This is going to be displayed. This is how you display your stuff in the table, and I wrote the link and the stuff been displayed in the link. So I hope you got it, and it was a really small session and it was really easy. So you should practice these things out. So I'll be making a crash course, as I'm telling in the previous videos too. I'll be making a crash course at the end whenever I'm going to be completing these stuff. These HTML videos, I'll make an hour or an hour and a half crash course, and that's going to be totally displayed. I'll make a small web page and I'll show you how to create it by scratch, which is going to be really helpful. So stay tuned till then, and I hope that you watch this web series, that you learn a lot. This is really nice practice. You got to practice these things. So I hope all the best for you. You all should be practicing these kind of stuff. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.